Okay, so the Trump conviction happened, right? So now what? Well, in tonight's The Answer, we're tackling the questions you might have as the former president presses on. What roadblocks does this pose for another run? Former President Trump's New York conviction Thursday on 34 counts of falsifying business records can't stop him from becoming president if the voters put him back in office. You knew that. But let's go over a few things. The Constitution has very few prerequisites for the presidency. A candidate must be at least 35, a natural-born citizen, and a U.S. resident for a minimum of 14 years. It says nothing about the impact of a felony conviction on a president's ability to serve. Now, what about the 14th Amendment? Some states have tried, as you know, to disqualify Trump under the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause in the wake of the January 6th riots. A Colorado court ruled that the 14th Amendment could ban insurrectionists who have previously served as president from holding office again. But the Supreme Court said no. They reversed the ruling back in March, finding that Trump had to be on the ballot because only Congress can enforce the insurrection clause. Now, what if Trump is sentenced to prison? His sentence may not include prison time, not likely will, but he could be sentenced to a probation or owe a fine. But if he did go to jail, there's no law against running for president and winning an election while imprisoned or from serving as president from prison. It's all uncharted territory because America has never seen anything like this. If he's sentenced to prison and wins the election, Trump's lawyers might argue that sitting presidents can't be imprisoned, just as Trump has argued that sitting presidents can be indicted. Could Trump pardon himself for the New York conviction? No, because it's a state conviction. Presidents are only able to pardon federal crimes. Trump faces 3 more criminal cases. 2 of them are federal indictments, but it's unlikely those cases will be resolved anytime soon. And that's The Answer.